Have you mastered the art of boring listeners? Well, if you sound like this, you have. Triple X80s, that was Phil Collins. And coming up next, Cyndi Lauper, right here. Stop, just stop. If that's what you just said on the air, you've wasted 5 seconds of your listener's life. They're never getting it back. And guess what? They have no reason to come back to your station. The brutal truth here that nobody dares to say out loud, most internet radio sucks. Yeah, I said it. The bar is so low that ants are tripping over it. But is that a problem or an opportunity? I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, been rocking major market mics since 15 and here to help you make radio fun again. Coming up, I've got 2 AI prompts that'll transform your radio show and put some pep into your prep. Let me tell you what I hear when I'm scanning through internet stations at even FMs. That was, this is, coming up next, Happy Hump Day. Great song. Look, I get it. You're busy, you're wearing every radio hat. Maybe you're voice tracking, maybe you're live, and you just need something to say. But here's what these lips have been blathering on about since day uno. It's not what you play, it is what you say that sets you apart. Every single time that you open that mic, you are making a declaration about what your station stands for and how you are different from the 67,000 other stations playing the same songs. So, unless you're actually saying something different, something unexpected, something that makes a listener go, huh, I didn't see that coming, well, you're just taking up bandwidth. But here's the beautiful thing, because everyone else is so bad at this, you don't have to be great to stand out. You just have to be good. You just have to give a damn. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using AI as your creative partner, not to replace you, but to help you consistently deliver content that exceeds your listeners' very low expectations. Now, I've created 2 master prompts that will transform the way you approach your breaks. One is going to help you say something memorable about anything, and the other is going to help you create seamless creative connections between your music and your content. And while clicking your way to sexy content is one part of the process, you still need to deliver it with confidence. And if you're new to this nutty radio game and would like to actually rock the mic with more confidence, well, I invite you to please jump into my very free Radio DJ 101 email course. This thing delivers so much value. It's like 6 or 7 emails. So links in the description if you want to take part in that. Also, I'm going to show you how to use these prompts in my free Robo show prep tool. But enough lip smack. Let me show you exactly how these prompts work. Prompt number 1, this is what I call the Make It Memorable prompt. And it's your creative catalyst for turning basic announcements into moments that people might actually remember. And if they don't, well, at least you know you didn't suck. Well, this prompt has solid bones. It's your customization that is just going to make or break this. This really could turn out some incredible content, but you have to take the time and explain what your station's all about, what you are all about. I know it seems like a lot to fill out, but you only do this once. To save yourself a ton of time, you basically fill out all the information that doesn't change. So all you're doing in the future is customizing just the topic, maybe the length of your bit. While you can do it this way, I mean, why would you? There is always a radio DJ dude, easy button approach. And for me, there's nothing easier than Robo Show Prep. So I'm going to show you how I use these prompts within Robo Show Prep. So you know it has been updated. We're on version 3 right now. Some bugs have been squashed. I've added more autofill possibilities. Let me show you in this version. So you just enter all your, custom default variables once, and then boom, whenever you have a prompt that looks for these, variables, it will fill them in automatically and save you a bunch of time. So right here, you could already see format, all ladies music, personality, show afternoon. This has been filled out. If you haven't experienced the time-saving, content boosting effects of Robo Show Prep yet? Well, come on, what are you waiting for? It's absolutely free. You come over to the Chrome extension store and just type in Robo Show Prep. Boom, we'll hook you up. It's pretty cool. I already have 580 users of this sucker. Later on in the video, I'll show you exactly how to get these prompts into Robo Show Prep. They don't ship with this fun extension. Granted, I do have 10 preloaded prompts that do come with the free version. That's pretty cool. But if you haven't checked in with Robo Show Prep lately, I think we're up to over 40 different custom prompts. Like right here's the morning show pack where you get a whole bunch of creative ideas for inspiration. This is a pack just for social media creation. And how many are we at now? 44 premium prompts we're up to with Robo Show Prep. So I think that's pretty cool. And again, this is just a way to expedite the creative process, to arm you with content that nobody else has. When you know you have a great break, you just come off that much more polished. So in Robo Show Prep, let's bring up the Make It Memorable break. And if you see here, I have full version. All that means is that all these fields here, they're available for customization. But what I'm suggesting is you take that prompt and you come up here in the editor, wherever you see these curly brackets, they basically will translate into an input field that you'd have to manually type. But why do that? These are things that don't change. So if I were you, I'd import these and then just kind of hard code all your variables, all 80s music. And then you could just go through and fill in, your custom variables. And when you select this prompt again, you'll have less fields to fill out. So for this break, let's say I have a CD I'm giving away for MC Hammer CD. And the purpose, this is just to promote upcoming contests, listener feeling excitement. Okay, perfect. I copy that prompt, boom, copy to the clipboard. So then you come over to your favorite AI chatbot. I mean, for creative writing, Claude cannot be beat, but you can use ChatGPT or Gemini, whatever floats your digital dinghy. And you just paste that prompt in just like that. Boom, we send it off. We see what those radio writing wizards come up with. So we've got 2 versions to work with, and I also have instructed the bots to give us a little explanation of why they think this would make a good break. So 2 scripts. Okay, I like this one. At 5:15, I am giving away an autographed MC Hammer CD and poster. Yeah, a poster. Just like you're 14 again and your mom lets you redecorate. Except now you pay the mortgage. Well, anyway, all the details are coming up next. Coming up at 5:15, your chance to win an autographed MC Hammer CD and poster, which means you'll finally have to explain to your family why there's a framed photo of parachute pants in the living room. But hey, you do you. All the details coming up. So that is definitely more engaging than just saying, hey, coming up, I'm giving away a autographed MC Hammer CD and a poster. Stay tuned. Okay, let's run one more. We are doing a Make It Memorable DJ break. The topic is, I'm playing Human League, Don't You Want Me, for Tina. She's listening at work. She's a bartender at a bowling alley. Okay, purpose. I'm just going to say this is a listener request. Great. Copy that prompt. So you see here in the prompt, it takes just that small information that I provide and it integrates it into the master prompt. The break I need right now, I'm playing Human League, Don't You Want Me, for Tina, listening at work. So this takes all that into consideration. It packages it all up and then it ships it off to the bots. Once again, we have 2 versions. I think I like version 1 a little better. Triple X 80s. I'm Jammin' Jeff Scott, rolling this for Tina. She's bartending at the bowling alley right now. I mean, Human League, singing about working as a waitress in a cocktail bar. That's basically Tina's life, except replace cocktail bar with place that smells like rental shoes and nachos. But come on, living the dream, Tina, right here on Triple X 80s. So much more dynamic than just saying, hey, thanks for Tina. She's listening over at the bowling alley tonight. She wants to hear Human League. Here's, Don't You Want Me. Oh, boring. because that's been done, and it is being done every time you turn on the radio. Listeners expect that drivel. They expect that cliche nonsense. What we're doing, we are throwing them out of their expectation zone and waking them up with fresh content. So that prompt helps you say something fresh about anything. But this next one, this is next level, because lots of DJs treat their content and their music like two separate things. You play a song, then you stop, then you read a promo, then you play another song. Everything just feels segmented and disconnected. But great radio flows. The music and the content, they work together like they were always meant to be together. Like you and your tender Robo bride. Oh, hand me a hanky, that is beautiful. Prompt number 2 is called Creative Connection, and it helps you find thematic bridges between songs and whatever you need to talk about. Now, the magic here is making it sound organic. We're not using cheesy transitions like, and speaking of. No, we're not going to over-explain it either. We're going to let the song title, the theme, or the vibe naturally flow into your content. Back over to Robo Show Prep in the DJ break category. And this is the Creative Connection. And again, when you import these two prompts into Robo Show Prep, they're going to be the full version, which means you're going to have all these input fields. But like I mentioned, that's easy to fix because all you do is you click Edit, you come into the prompt, and you replace all these curly brackets with information that's not going to change. Once you have all that info pre-filled, all you're doing is entering artist, song title, and your topic, and you're sending it off. So I'm playing Sledgehammer from Peter Gabriel, and the topic is this cool remote broadcast we're doing from the LA County Fair this weekend. Win prizes, and you can meet the morning crew. Time is 10 seconds. We'll copy it, we'll send it off, and let's see what the bots bring us. Boom, we've got 2 versions. Let's see here. This weekend, we're live at the LA County Fair. Rides, deep fried everything, games you can't win, the whole chaos. And the only thing hitting harder than Peter Gabriel's Sledgehammer is that funnel cake regret and your chance to win actual prizes with the morning crew. Saturday and Sunday, come find us. That's great. And it's just memorable. People don't see that coming. Here's the alternate version. We got the LA County Fair this weekend. Total sensory overload, questionable food choices, sketchy carnival games. I mean, the only real hit that you need, aside from Peter Gabriel's Sledgehammer, is prizes with the morning crew. You bet we're going to be there Saturday and Sunday. Come see us. And then for fun, I asked the bots to come up with a more generic version of this prompt. Let's say you're just voice tracking, content. And you don't know what song's coming up. It's just generic voice tracks. And let's see if we can't tie in the theme of 80s music to your content. This weekend it's back, the LA County Fair. Every food is deep fried. Carnival lights assaulting your retinas. Games designed to, shake you down. I mean, it's pure 80s excess without the shoulder pads. I want you to come on down and find the morning crew. We are there this Saturday and Sunday. Yes, there's a chance to win stuff that's actually worth having. So we'll see you there. Look, I've heard it all before. This is AI. It's cheating. This isn't authentic. Oh, come on. Just stop it. Using AI to help you think more creatively is no different than using a thesaurus to find a better word. And if I actually had the prop that I was supposed to have when I was shooting this video, I'd be holding up a thesaurus right now. Maybe I'll put it on the screen. Well, this very thesaurus was in my radio bag of tricks for years. I was always tapping into this before the internet was such a thing. You have to remember, you are still the artist. You're still bringing your personality, your delivery, your choices. The real question, are you going to keep phoning it in with this is garbage that just insults your listeners' time? Or are you going to use every tool available to deliver content that makes people want to stay tuned, that positions you as a station with an original thought? Because shocker, and I really do believe, radio is still magic. The human voice connecting with another human, creating moments, building relationships, making somebody's commute better, their workday less boring, their life a little more entertaining. I mean, today, people are in desperate need of that connection. But connection, it has to be earned. You have to give them something worth listening to. And now, well, come on, bye-bye excuses. A link to both of these prompts awaits in the description. Now, they're very free, but they are to be used in my free Robo Show Prep Chrome extension, because honestly, it's just the easiest way to use them. And let me show you how. Follow that link in the description and you'll be able to download a special file that you import to Robo Show Prep. Let me walk you through how simple this is. So you open up the extension and right up here in settings, come over to general and you just want to click import. Boom, we do that. Then you find that file, you unzip it first because it's a special kind of a file. It says JSON at the end as the extension. But don't let that scare you. Here we go, we open that up. Boom, we've imported 2 prompts. And did we? Well, let's check. The new DJ break category. Here's the Make It Memorable and the Creative Connection break. Keep in mind, these are the full prompts like I explained to you. So to edit these, tweak them, refine them, you click on the Edit Prompt button. Come down here. You could expand this window. And like I said before, just hard code this with things that never change. So this prompt will be so much easier to run in the future. So come on, start using them today. Now don't put this off. The next time that you sit down to prep your show, pull up one of these prompts and just see what happens. And my challenge to you, use these for 1 week and then come back and tell me if your breaks got better. Drop a comment. How did these prompts add some life to your breaks or actually paste in one of your favorite scripts? Remember, that bar is so freaking low, but the opportunity, it's high. Every time you open that mic, you have a choice. Bore them or delight them. The tools are here. Question is, what are you gonna do with them? I'm Jeff, the Radio DJ dude, and if this helped you even 12%, well, come on, hit that like and subscribe button for more radio content that actually makes you better at what you do. And until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.